Hey guys, ever had one of those crazy mornings where guests are lined up for coffee? I feel ya! Before I found this gym, I was always scrambling. But check this, my SYBO 12-cup commercial coffee maker, a total game changer. With dual warming plates, it's like magic. No more waiting, just perfect coffee poured. And let's talk durability. 30 years of stainless steel expertise means this beast handles our busiest rush hours like a champ. It's seriously built to last. Trust me, if your mornings could use some SYBO magic, grab yours now. Your caffeine fix will never be the same.